I've been coming for 8 months, just about 8 months, and so far I've lost 135 pounds. I started at 323 pounds, and I'm down to 185. So I'm thrilled with New Genesis and the people here and the way it's set up. I like coming every week and the support I get. I think it's great how they walk through and they talk about what's coming up the next week, especially in the beginning. So if you have issues coming up that you might struggle to get through, social situations where if you're not eating the same food, it's a little awkward. Shannon's great, so she just walks you right through and maybe how to deal with that and cope with it. So it's been wonderful for me. And then just the freedom of not having to battle with food over 8 months. It's been mentally just a release for me. When you hear about it, you think it'll be hard to do the program. For me, actually doing it was so freeing. It was unbelievable. If you are overweight and you want to lose weight, the first thing you should do is make an appointment. And if you're really, truly ready and it's your time to lose weight, this is an absolutely wonderful, well-rounded, permanent way to do it because it touches every facet. And then if it's for you, go for it because, look at me. I think I was a little skeptical, and now I'm 135 down, so I weigh less than I did when I was in high school because I could keep going because it really works.